feel worthy. It was hard for me to admit all of these feelings are circling around. I hope everything was worth it when you look back at the end. After the rain falls, everything has changed. But is it what I wanted? After the rain. It's all unfolding right in front of me. The ghost that